Hi all, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine in this quarantine period. And today's skincare video is going to be very special because I am going to show you skincare for three major skin types. One is the combination skin, one is the dry skin, and another is the oily skin. And for people who have sensitive skin, I'll just get back to you in my next video, so keep tuned. So if you're wondering what is this look about, so it's very hot again after the Amphan and all the stormy Kal Boishakhi kind of thing. It's very hot again, so I have to tie up my hair like this. And today as usual I'm wearing no makeup, just a bit of sunscreen, lipstick and some eyebrows done, cause duh. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows and maintain my facial hair in this quarantine, comment below so that I know that you want to see a video, and probably my next video can be on that. So today's main hero of this skincare video is potato. Yes guys, you have heard it right. Today's main ingredient is potato because we Indians love our potatoes. We use them in our kitchen. We use them for skincare, we use them for all sort of purposes, and even so let's hurry and show you what masks or rather exfoliators, cleansers I have created with this potato juice. And I'll just show you in a while. I'll just want to hurry and say that if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do it, because trust me, more awesome videos on skincare is going to come up every week on Tuesday. So I'll be sharing nice my skincare journey, my eating and drinking habits which I've adapted for my skin, which was very bad even last year in 2019. If you would have seen my pictures in my Instagram, my Facebook, my skin had a lot of pimples because I have a oily skin. I had a lot of acne, lot of pimples in my skin, and although right now I have sudden outbursts in my skin because of my hormones that I can't help, but if you would have seen, I had really bad skin. My skin was not this clean, not this glowing. So if you want to continue with my journey, then do subscribe, like, comment and share with your family and friends. It's an earnest request.
So the first ingredient taken is honey. Honey is very good for dry skin, and we have mixed 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of potato juice, which will give you great result for dry skin. Potatoes can brighten and even out your skin tone. Potatoes contains an enzyme called catecholase, which helps to brighten the skin and get rid of any dark spots. You can also use potato juice to lessen the appearance of dark circles. Potatoes are a great anti-aging agent and gently exfoliates your skin, along with the goodness of honey, which helps to retain the moisture in your skin. Next ingredient is aloe vera gel, which is very helpful for any combination skin type. Potato juice and aloe vera gel together helps remove any blemishes of your skin, any pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and it is very good for skin hydration. Combination skin has dry patches and a very oily T-zone, so aloe vera gel helps to smoothen this out and balances the skin tone and skin texture. The next ingredient is yogurt. Yogurt is essentially good for all skin types. If infused with potato juice, it can help get rid of the acne, any breakouts caused due to any type of fungi. Potato juice has a zinc content which regulates oil production and works as a mild astringent. It also carries antibacterial and antifungal properties. So yogurt and potato juice will be really helpful for any oily prone and acne prone skin.
So now you have seen the video how I have mixed my potato juice with all other ingredients, yogurt, honey and aloe vera gel. So I am going to go straight away into the video of saying how this benefits our skin in various ways. As I have told you earlier about potato juice, now I am going to tell you about yogurt. Yogurt has a very good amount of lactic acid, which helps people with oily and acne prone skin and it heals us in various ways. Like it lightens our skin, it helps with the hyperpigmentation, and definitely it helps with the acne marks or spots which has already left a mark on your skin from the previous acnes or pimples which you had. So this is a very good mask. Potato and yogurt is very good mask for cleaning all those past marks, lightening your skin, and it's a very gentle exfoliator. People who have sensitive skin, they can also try it. I won't recommend people who have very sensitive skin to this mask to them, because this has lactic acid and potato juice has astringent properties. So if you want to try it, people with sensitive skin, then do a patch test first. Sorry for the mispronunciation, whatever. So sorry for that. Anyhow, so people with sensitive skin, do try this. But if you want to try this, do a patch test first. That's recommended. So I have dipped a cotton ball in this mixture and going to just drip it like this. I am not applying this on my face, just to show you guys how it works. I am going to apply it on my hands. So you can see this is my hand, and applying gently to this area. So you have to be very gentle with your skin and apply this in a circular motion around your entire skin. And please leave the eye area while you're applying this mask. So you have to keep this for around 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can wash it off. Continue applying this for at least 1 or 2 weeks and see the difference for yourself, and let me know in the comment section what are the differences you saw in your skin after applying this mask for 2 weeks at a stretch. Thank you so much. Moving on, coming to the next mask is the aloe vera gel and potato juice. So as I have told you earlier, the benefits of aloe vera gel on your skin, it's completely healing, it's completely soothing, and when you apply this mask also on your face, you will feel the difference at only one go. So just try this mask, people who have combination skin, like the T-zone is oily and the entire skin is dry, on forehead, cheeks and chin, the skin is dry. Do try this out. And if your my aloe vera gel, as I've already told you earlier, has vitamin E beads in it, but if your aloe vera gel doesn't have that, then get vitamin E capsules. Those are like green capsules that comes at very cheap, like around 10 to 15 rupees. In any medical store it is available. So use that. Use 1 capsule for this amount of face mask and apply it all over. I'll just show you applying it on my hand. So I've taken my hand, and as you can see, the consistency is very gel like, because this is aloe vera gel, and when I've applied it on my hands, it feels very light and very calming and soothing. And the white particles you can see over here are the vitamin E beads. So if you want the product description, let me know in the comment section so that I can add it for you in the description box. So as you can see, the time I have applied this aloe vera and potato juice gel, it's already giving a glow and shine. So imagine continuing this for a week or so, and then imagine what will happen to your face. So do try it and let me know. So the previous mask was for people who are having dry skin, and as you can see, I have already done with the oily skin, dry skin. Now it's time for the oily skin, combination skin, and now it's time for the dry skin. Extremely sorry if I have told that wrong, but this one, which is the honey and potato juice, it's very good for people who have dry skin, because honey is a very good exfoliator for people who have dry skin. It helps to get rid of the dead cells and any acne or clogged pores you have. Honey is very good for that, and honey helps your skin moisturize, keeps it smooth, keeps it calm, and yeah, it definitely tones down your dry skin a bit. And if you use this mask daily, I'll tell you that you'll get amazing results for people who have dry skin. So you can do one thing, you can make potato juice and store it in the fridge for at least 5 to 6 days. And if you have honey in home, mix it daily, 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon potato juice, and apply it on your face for 2 weeks. Do this continuously and let me know after that how did you feel, how does your skin feel exactly. And apart from doing this exfoliating step for your skin, also do the 3-step skincare routine which I mentioned in my previous video, like previous to previous video actually, because the previous video I did on turmeric milk. If you also want to see that, then the card is up there. Do watch it, and let me just try on this mask on my hand for you. So here's my cotton. I'll just dip it in, and yeah, that's it. It's very juicy. Now I'll rub it on my whole hand like this. I am shooting this entire video with my front camera, whose quality is not that great, but I'm trying my best to show you guys that how I am applying this mask. How I am applying this mask and how it will help my skin to heal. So that's how I'm applying this mask, and you do the same. Apply it for 2 weeks at a stretch and see the results for yourself. Okay, so that's it for today's video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, once again subscribe, help me grow on YouTube. And that's it. Stay strong, stay glowing, and stay happy. Bye.